Hello everybody, welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Emilie.McKennon. We are located in Junction City, Oregon. We are between Eugene and Corvallis, right off of the 99, so come see us. Today I am going to present to you the brand new Intent by Winnebago. This is a 28Y floor plan, and this is a 2020. This is brand new, beautiful new colors. This one features an outdoor kitchen. I'm going to take you quickly around the outside and then we'll go in and take a look at the floor plan. So you do have cameras, side view cameras right here. Plus you have automatic mirrors. The top mirror is automatic, bottom one is manual, and so that you can see all the way down the side of your coach. Beautiful new paint job. And you got a cute little pet pal. That's to connect your pet's leash to so that they don't run off when you're camping. You've got a good amount of storage right here. This is your outside kitchen. So as you can see, you've got a television set that expands. Cute little sink. You got your bottle opener, towel holder, little rack here for some storage, spices. Then you've got a pull-out counter, drawer, and of course the refrigerator, so you don't have to trek back and forth inside to get your favorite beverages. You got the nice Winnebago sign there, backup camera, 5,000 pound towing capacity. Your fuel tank is in the back here, so no guessing what side it's going to be on. 4,000 watt generator on board. This is your electrical and dump station, so it's all enclosed. Plus you have this hole here that your Stinky Slinky can go through, so you don't have to keep the compartment door open. All of your regular suspects here, your fresh water tank, your black waste tank flush, and your cable and satellite inlet. Let's go ahead inside and we'll take a look at that floor plan. Welcome back. So right now we are inside of the 28Y Winnebago Intent. Again, this is the 2020 model. So right up front, you'll notice that we've got some nice new, it's sort of a vinyl fabric. It's mold resistant, scratch resistant, stain resistant, so you can wipe it clean if anything happens to get on it. The two captain's chairs do turn fully around. You also have an electric leveling system. These are automatic levelers. So when you pull up to your site, with the touch of one button, one finger, you can just level your coach out. No need to get out and check everything. It does it automatically for you. This is on a Ford V10 Triton motor. Let's move back to the floor plan. So you do have a table that makes down into a bed. You also, right behind the cameraman, you have a drop-down bunk. So great family floor plan, nice big beautiful windows with some pull down blinds. You've got tons of storage. This is a nice pass-through storage. Woo! Let's lock that. You can lock that into place. So that's a nice big pass-through storage. And what I really love and what I'm noticing right away in the 2020 model is all the nice new neutral colors. It's kind of brightens it up from the previous model. This is a slide that goes over the sink, so it'll end right about here. Gives you a ton of kitchen counter space having the sink here. A nice deep double sink. Tons of storage, drawers, outlets, oven. A lot of people are wanting gas ovens, so this one does come with the gas oven. Again, nice big deep storage drawers for larger pots and pans. 3-burner gas stove, regular residential microwave, and again, just pointing out all the storage. Beautiful shelves. I really like the nice light wood. You've got a residential fridge in this one, so this is an all-electric refrigerator. Freezer and fridge. Again, just pointing out all of the little storage really deep shelves. And coming right over here into your bathroom. You got a few towel racks there on the door. Tons of storage, very deep storage here in the restroom. All around, nice countertop. A lot of times you don't get a lot of countertop in the restrooms of RVs. This one you can put all of your necessities right here. A glass shower door. Nice big tall shower with a domed skylight. And two, I want to point out that this does come with solar. So I'm just going to point this out right here. Your solar panel is right here, or to watch your charge is right here. All of your necessities for the water pumps, checking your tanks, slide room controls, and then your bunk control is right here to control your electric bunk. Stepping here into the bedroom, USB ports, outlets, television. Again, tons of drawers, tons of drawers, tons of drawers, and tons of storage. There we go. You got a nice hanging rod up there. Huge closet, little coffee table that you can put up between the two captain chairs. Beautiful queen size bed. This does have USB ports and outlets, and again, tons of storage. Beautiful natural lighting with the windows. So this is a great coach to test drive. I would love to test drive it with you. I'd love to show you it in person. So if you're in the area, please stop in, come see us. My name is Emilie.McKennon, and you can get a hold of us here at Guaranty at 541-998-1148, and my extension is 2519. Until next time, enjoy the road.